One of my favorite techniques is power cropping. This allows you to go ahead and crop and set a target size at the exact same time. I'll press C for crop and then click on the pop-up menu here and choose Size and Resolution. This allows me to go ahead and type in a more accurate cropping detail. You'll notice you can choose from a particular image, but instead I'm going to type in a particular size. I want an image that is 5 inches by 7 inches at 300 pixels per inch. Since this is a common size that I frequently use for printing, I'll choose Save As Crop Preset and click OK. Notice the new crop preset dialog appears, and you can click OK to use the existing name or modify this. The crop is automatically applied, and you could reposition the image by dragging. Feel free to use the crop handles to adjust. I think this is looking pretty good here. There we go. Just going to get my intersection correct. Take a look at the image and decide what I want to do. Since I don't want to delete the crop pixels, I'll uncheck that and press Return to apply the crop. There you have it. The cropped image is ready to go. You'll notice over here in the preset list, besides the original crop aspect ratio presets that were loaded, my new preset that actually has a size and resolution is now available.